Hey guys, and welcome back to Home Decor 101, your YouTube home decor channel. In today's video, we are going to welcome May and what home decor style always reminds me of May. Today, we're talking about May. It's a month that feels like a breath of fresh air. It's when spring reaches its peak. The flowers are in full bloom, the days are longer, and there's just this renewed sense of energy in the air. With Mother's Day celebrations and Memorial Day weekend marking the unofficial start of summer, May is all about gathering, growing, and transitioning into a lighter, brighter season. It's also a popular time for home refreshes, spring cleaning, and switching up decor to match the sunny, hopeful mood. I don't know why, but coastal home decor just feels like May to me. I think it's because as a child growing up, we would always go to the lake or travel and go to the beach, starting in May. But there's something about the breezy color palette, the soft blue neutrals, and relaxed textures that perfectly capture the essence of this time of year. May is when you start dreaming of beach days, ocean getaways, and open windows that let the sunshine in. Coastal decor brings that same easy, tranquil vibe into your home. It's fresh, airy, and effortlessly stylish, much like the mood May inspires. It's the perfect match for this light-filled month. So grab a cup of coffee, a cup of tea, and let's look at these coastal-inspired rooms to celebrate the month of May. So I just wanted to pop in and say that I really appreciate you all staying to the end and watching this video. Let me know what you think about coastal home decor. And also, I want to know, did you all have a favorite room? Because if I had to pick, it would be this beauty right here. I love the two sofas facing each other, and if you look closely you can see that those sofas looks like that they are slip covered, so it would be very easy to clean, wash, and just like put back on. I also love the two accent striped chairs. But my favorite has to be that ceiling. It almost looks like it is a shiplap ceiling, and then they actually just put brown beams up there. They don't look structural. I don't know. I can't really figure it out, but it definitely caught my attention. So the only thing that I would change would probably be that brick fireplace. I do think it's nice, it's just not really my style. You know what I would do? I would do almost like a tile, like some sort of blue, shades of blue and white mosaic tile. I think it will really pop. Yeah, that's just me though. Once again, thank you so much for watching. If you want to see more videos, check one of these out, and I'll see you all soon.